My name's Sam and I'm a carpenter from Liverpool.
Excellent. And tell me what brings you here today.
Just trying to get into property, mate. I know it's like it's the best thing to get into, like long term. Best thing for your future, I think, as well. So yeah, and just trying to soak up as much as I can today, learn as much, and hopefully, yeah, it benefits me in the long run.
Amazing. And how have you found today?
Yeah, good. Yeah, good. Very interesting. I've learned a lot. It's been good, yeah.
Has there been what do you think's the key USPs? What's so good about it? The knowledge.
I think Samuel himself, he's that upbeat and he grabs your attention, you know what I mean? I think if there was another person up there or something, you can sort of lose attention, you can get distracted, but because he's sort of he knows when to raise his voice, or he knows how to grab your attention, do you know what I mean? He's mastered it, he's perfect at it. So I'd say, yeah, the best thing about it is Samuel, to be fair, yeah.
Amazing. And what about the other mentors? Have they been useful? Have they been
Yeah, very useful. Everyone I've spoke to be fair, has been top drawer, do you know what I mean? Yeah, everyone, all the mentors are sound, proper nice, make you feel comfortable. So yeah, I'd definitely recommend coming, 100%.